From the creation of maps to the dissemination of information, India is tremendously working in the area of innovative technologies based on modern geospatial data and mapping services. Emerging vibrant technologies like Digital India, smart cities, e-commerce, autonomous drones, delivery, logistics, and urban transport have leaped forward in mapping with greater depth, resolution, and precision. Adopting a committed approach towards resource optimization, industrial upgradation and sustainability. Last year, the Government of India had launched the India Industrial Land Bank, a GIS-based portal and one-stop repository of all the information related to industrial infrastructure. Just within a short time of its launch, the website providing industrial information has seen a 30% increase in page views each month. It has also received 55,000 page views in June as compared to 44,136 page views in May 2021. So it becomes very important to know more about this industrial information system. India Industrial Land Bank provides information about the industrial connectivity, infrastructure, natural resources and terrain, plot level information on vacant plots, line of connectivity, and contact details. It also briefs about the land available for prospective investors looking at setting up units in the country. GIS mapping of industrial clusters and provides useful information on the existing external and internal infrastructures such as rail, road, air and port connectivity. Currently, it has approximately 4,000 industrial parks mapped across an area of 5.5 lakh hectares of land, and it also serves as a decision support system for various investors. The system has been developed by integration of the industrial information system with state GIS systems, and initially it was launched for 6 states. Today, the system has been integrated with industry-based GIS systems of 17 states to have details on the portal updated on a real-time basis and is about to achieve pan-India integration by December 2021. Now let's get to know about its usage. It is a mobile application that was launched on Android and iOS stores. In parallel, the portal has been made more user-friendly by allowing users to explore the portal without any login. The design and user interface of the portal are being constantly improved for a better user experience. In the previous quarter, the portal had a total of 13,610 users, out of which 12,996 were unique users. At present, its website has approximately 1.3 lakh page views. Further, information on the land bank is also accessible via the homepage of the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. Once we click on the industrial information system, the page is redirected to a link for detailed accessibility to the investors. Additionally, the information on land bank may also be accessed through Invest India website. Boosting India's vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat and the goal of a $5 trillion economy, this portal is visited by users from many countries, which include India, United States, followed by Australia, United Kingdom, Singapore, UAE, Germany and Indonesia. Not only this, but the demonstration of this portal and mobile application has also been conducted at various outreach events incorporating industry associations, Singapore Indian High Commission, Indian Embassy of Korea, Kotra and Malaysian and Korean investors. India is continuously emerging as a mapping power and enabling innovators to create substantial advances in mapping. The nation is emphasizing the creation of next-generation indigenous maps and taking these new technologies to the rest of the world, thus making our lives easier and empowering small businesses. We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.